Now we have done glycolysis of actually glucose, but here you will see all other carbohydrate will also, all other monosaccharide. For example, in addition to glucose, we have monosaccharide, galactose and fructose. Galactose and fructose also metabolize through the same process. Through the same process. Now see, in galactose will convert into glucose 6-phosphate, and the same way. Fructose will also convert into this, and this will follow like the same thing. So there is no difference in other tissue. All other tissue except liver. You can see. Liver has a different set of enzyme for, because you know, I will tell you one thing. All tissue has hexokinase. So now you can see. So all other tissue has what? Hexokinase. Hexokinase means this enzyme, actually hexo means it will act on all hexose sugar. It will act on glucose. It will act on fructose. It will act on galactose, like 6-carbon fructose 6-phosphate. It will convert ultimately into fructose 6-phosphate because of this hexokinase. But liver has glucokinase. This glucokinase, in liver only glucose is metabolized, not fructose. Okay, and that is why fructose metabolism has different enzyme. Okay, in liver fructose metabolism has different enzyme. In other tissue, because it has hexokinase, all tissue has hexokinase, it is metabolized. But liver does not have hexokinase, it has glucokinase. Glucokinase is very specific to glucose only. And how do liver deal with this two? Let's forget about this, only talk about this, because fructose is more important. So how do liver deal with fructose? So liver deal with fructose because liver has different enzyme for fructose. We will talk about that different enzyme. Did you understand that?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So just remember, you don't, even if you did not understand more thing, just understand this fructose. Liver has got different enzyme for fructose. There are 2 different enzyme for fructose. You can see. What is this 2 different enzyme? One enzyme is called fructokinase. Other enzyme is aldolase. Aldolase B. Here in glycolysis, there is aldolase A, here is aldolase B. Okay, these 2 enzymes are there. Because of that, this fructose will directly convert into these 2 products, dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde. Fructose will be broken down into this product. And you know, this glucose, when go through up to this, glucose pass through a very important regulatory step, phosphofructokinase 1. This is the most important regulatory step. Now can you see this fructose does not have to go through this process. It will directly break into these 2 molecules.
So if it skips that step, does it not lose that that one phosphate? Like that, you know how ATP had to give up a phosphate at that step? Like
yes,
does it keep that? Does it keep that? Okay.
No. ATP will be utilized here. ATP will be utilized. But this fructose does not have to go through that rate limiting step, means that checkpoint. Checkpoint means slow process. Fructose does not have to go through this checkpoint. And that is why this is the significance, this is the reason. When you take sugar, sucrose will convert into glucose and fructose. And this fructose pass out this regulatory step and easily convert into fat. And that is why many people, you must have understood that don't take sugar. Avoid sugar. Sugar easily convert into fat. Okay. Why does this happen? Because this is the answer. Fructose in liver bypass important regulatory step. Just memorize this and go through the video again if you want to get the explanation. So it bypass this process. phosphofructokinase. Fructose bypasses because it has its own enzyme. Fructose has its own enzyme, and that is why it bypasses this and reach directly here. It has its own pathway, and then because of that, it will easily convert into fat. That is why fructose, you should not take fructose, too much fructose to reduce it. So you can see these two enzymes are there. Aldolase. This is aldolase. This is also called aldolase B, fructokinase aldolase B. Now you can see this will directly convert into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and that is why liver has this different enzyme. That is why fructose easily converted into fat.